Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jazz and I'm back today with another video. Today's video is going to be yet again another hair transformation video. Those of you who are loyal subscribers to my channel know that I'm constantly, always and forever doing something to my hair. So here we are again, me doing something to my hair. So if you guys are interested and want to see how I got this blonde platinum color, then definitely keep on watching. Oh, and let me throw one more thing too. So I said in my reaction videos to Poppy Blasted that I was going to be telling my love and beholded secret of how I actually really do achieve my waves. So if you want to know the Krusty Krab ingredient, you better keep on watching to the end, girl. Enjoy the video. Yo, what's up? Welcome back to another video. From the intro you heard that we are on another hair experiment video. As you can see, my hair is looking a little rough. The top is blonde and brown, and then the sides are completely brown. So I'm not really feeling this look. So right now we're headed to the Dollar General, the yellow one, just so we're clear, and we're just about to pick out a blonde color that we want to experiment with, brighten her back up, freshen her back up, and get back cute, because this is not EclecticNistaJR, this is Jazz. Okay, all right, so let's head out to Dollar General. So these are the blondes we're working with. Something maybe like this. What kind of blonde? That's natural blonde, extra light natural blonde. Color results. What kind of blondes we got up here? That's sad, that's all we get. Okay, I don't want to be a yellow brown. I mean blonde. I like this one too. Ooh, this one's $4. Oh, this is a touch-up, never mind. Refresher of what my hair's looking like. Pretty bad. I think we'll go with this one. I just changed my mind just that quick. I just saw this one. This is what I used before when I was my purple head Feria. And I'm like, oh my gosh, it says extreme platinum. I think this would be cute. And then look at the levels it takes you from. Wow, let's do it. So we are back at the house. I have the color right here. Let's see what you get in it, because this is my first time using blonde with this brand. I've done the purple, the deep dark purple before, and you only get an array, like a few items, because you're not like bleaching your hair. But this one I already see you get a lot more. So right off the rip you get, this is number 4, an anti-brass conditioner. So I'm guessing this plays as a conditioner and a toner once you bleached your hair. You get the Shimmering Developer Cream. This is number 1. It's good that they have it labeled too, so you know exactly what order to do everything. You get number 2, Shimmering Bleaching Powder. So this one you do get bleach. I wonder if you can hear that, but you get the bleach, and then you also get the Shimmering Lightening Cream. So I am going to first oil up my scalp, and I'm going to be using the Shea Formula Raw Shea Palm. This is something I would normally do with coconut oil, but I don't have any coconut oil, so I'm going to put this on my hair to treat it as like a base, so I won't damage my hair. I don't know if the word base is like protection, kind of like when you're having, you know, and you use a condom for, you know, protection. This is kind of like protection on my hair. So it's just to make sure I don't have any regrets, hopefully. So I'm just gonna lather this up on my hair, and I'm gonna do a lot, because out of my experimenting videos, the one thing I've learned is that you can never have too much freaking coconut oil. You can have too less. And also make sure you don't brush your hair when you're doing the coconut oil, because you don't want to irritate your scalp and make it flare up, because since this does have bleach in it, it can tend to itch sometimes. Some people are prone to it. Not prone, but like allergic to it is what I mean, prone to be allergic to it. I'm one of those people, so I just do this just to try to avoid that as much as I can, or make it just not hurt as much. So I'm gonna let this sit for a good like 2 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and get it started into this whole process. We are nice and soaked, and I also want to throw in a note before we get into this video. This is not a tutorial. This is a watch and see, okay? Because I have no idea what I'm doing. I like to go of the flow of things. So do not overly critique this video, because this is just me being a normal person, messing with normal things I should not be messing with, or whatever. So, before we get started, the instructions. Read them thoroughly. But I'm just gonna do this, toss it, keep it moving. But, gonna put my gloves on. And I'm only tossing it because I know the rules. Number 1 is the Shimmering Cream Developer. Open it up. We're going to cut. Number 2, the powder. We're going to pour number 2 into number 1. I don't have scissors, so I'm going to use an eyebrow archer. Basically the same thing. Cutting it with a razor. Slit it. Peel it. Open it. Ooh, it's kind of strong. Pour this in there. Make sure you wear dark clothes, or clothes you don't mind getting messed up, because messing with products like this can be a bit messy. And then we're going to pour number 3 into number 1 and 2. Then we are going to seal that up, because this stuff does expand after it sits for a while. I've ruined my trash can plenty of times not sealing it. So then after you put it all in there, you're going to want to pop this top part off right here. It tells you in the directions to pop it off first, but I don't like to do that because it starts to swell up immediately. So you put your finger on top and you shake. So then after you shake, you're going to apply. So remember, we put on our shea butter on top to make sure we have protection. And we're going to apply this. And what I need to start doing, which I'm going to do in this video, is you want to make sure you apply bleach back forward. My hair tends to change a lot quicker in the back. So I'm going to start at the back where my hair is the darkest, and on my sides, and then I'm going to save the blonde part for last. So I'm actually going to try to do this right for once, so you're aware that there is a right and wrong way, just in case you didn't know. Other side. First side, and we did our back. I'm just making sure I coated everything pretty well. And you can turn around and check that out real quick. So, sides, make sure you check behind your ears, because that's sometimes where I have brown spots too. Okay, and then now we can work our way towards the treated part. I like to go against, I like to go in the direction of my hair. Some people do it other ways. They go against it and go in the opposite direction. But for me, I just don't want to mess up my waves. And I feel like if I go in the opposite direction, I'm like relaxing my hair or something. I don't know. From my Bleaching Gone Wrong video, I have just been scarred. So I just prefer to just go in the direction that is already placed. So I'm going to check my hair every 10 minutes to see if I see a difference. I'm going to make sure first that we're coated pretty well. Could use a little bit more in the middle. So I'm going to put on a processing cap. I'm going to check it every 10 minutes to see where we're at. If I have not reached my desired color, I'll do another 10 minutes, so on and so forth. I don't want to initially just aim for 30 and then I accidentally damage my hair somewhat. It does look like it's changing a little bit here on the side. Don't know if I'm hallucinating, but it does look like it's changing. So I'll see you guys back in 10 minutes once I put my processing cap on.
11 minutes later.
It's been a tingly ass 10 minutes, but I'm back and I'm living and I'm good, but it's tingled. So here we go. Oh, she is changed, boo. Boom. Do you see that though? I think I can sit for 10 more minutes of tingliness. She's a little yellow, which I don't like from what I'm looking at it right now. So I'm gonna do 10 more minutes and see what happens. If this does not come out how I want to, I'm gonna have to make a quick trip to the beauty supply store and get me a toner so I could tone it down and take the brassiness out. So we're gonna do 10 more minutes and we're gonna see what we rocking with. Timer just went off. We is super tingly. Oh, so we are going to grab our conditioner and we're gonna head out to a sink. Wash her out. Got my dinner, what I'm eating tonight. Casey Cow, you sure you don't? How we looking? We looking white. You can't even see my hair. So, conditioner. Let's see if it says we have to leave it on for any amount of time. Oh yes, we have to leave this on for 5 minutes. Okay. So we're all conditioned up. Bring it upstairs with me. So this is what we're looking like. I am going to add some more of the toner so I can make sure it tones it evenly. It's been a long time coming. I rinsed out the toner. We got our towel turban on. This is actually kind of cute. I think this would be a dope ass photo shoot. But anyways, here's the reveal. So let's see if the toner worked. Yeet. Ooh, she cute. Dang, you can't see my size at all, but I like that. My top is definitely a lot more brighter. So I have my camera here to show you guys a closer look because I know you won't be able to see it too well with this camera. Let's zoom in for you. Do you see that? Yes, she is cute. Let's look at that one freaking dark spot in the back. Oh, she don't even look that bad. You know what? We'll say that's the birthmark. That's my birthmark. But she is cute. I think if I were to do it a second time on my sides, which I'm definitely not going to do. Cute. Like I was saying, if I were to do it on my sides a second time, which I'm definitely not going to do, I think that it would be more like the top. Like the top definitely has like two tones. It's the brassy color that I have, which I'm actually not hating too badly, and it's the platinum blonde. So I don't think I'm going to take a trip to the beauty supply store. I think I'm going to just rock this out. I like it. I like the way I look. It looks cute. But yeah, y'all, these are my results. Now, y'all want to see the results of these waves though. Let me put my products in and give me a minute. So before we get into this, I want to say thank you guys so much for being patient with me and for tuning in and watching this video. Just a quick insider on what I use in my hair. I talked about this in my monthly favorites video, so if you want a little bit more details about the products, definitely check out that video. I'll link it down below. But I use this coconut oil strong roots spray, and I also use this Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioning lotion, and on top of that I do a dash of Shea Formula raw, just Shea Formula, you know, the butter. Now there is one more piece of item that I'm leaving out that I am definitely going to show you guys. Let me just find it. What the heck did I do with it? Oh, here it is. So let's see the results of the waves. See if my product worked its magic. Yeet! It definitely did. Yeet, yeet, yeet! Are you swimming or like to brush a little bit because sometimes it likes to get a little crinkled. This product is bomb.com and it can be yours for a small price. Are you guys ready? Drum roll, please! Okay, let me stop playing with y'all. So, the product is this right here. I had to be extra. So, I'm gonna just say this. Krusty Patty, whatever the heck the SpongeBob sandwich is, it's nothing to it. Just like I'm sure it's nothing to it to their damn sandwich. But there's nothing to it to these waves. Yes, I put in the work that it takes to achieve waves. I definitely brush. I definitely use good products, and I definitely keep my hair wrapped up. Ask anybody. Trust me. This head does not go to bed without a do-rag. And if it do, oh, something must be wrong with me. But I tend to see that whenever I use products that tamper with the color, like anything that's unnatural, my hair pattern tends to loosen up a smidget. So I feel like it loosens up the waves, so it makes them lay a lot smoother, lay a lot flatter, and just listens. Like my hair is just a little bit looser, so it's easier to maneuver it to do things. So that, I guess, isn't really a secret. It's been in your face the entire time. It's just unnatural products loosens your curl pattern. I don't give a damn what anybody says. If you put bleach in your hair, it's gonna loosen it a little bit. You're gonna be like, damn, my hair is kind of flipping and my curls are a little bit more fleeked than they were before, because it loosened it just a smidget. It's kind of like I texturized my hair, but I really didn't. So I guess what I'm trying to say is, if you want your waves to pop a little bit more, if you color your hair with anything, like even when I used to color my hair with the dark purple, just because I put something that was not natural on my hair and it tampered with the natural texture and color of my hair, it loosens my hair every single time. Every single time. So I guess what I'm saying is, if you colored your hair freaking dark brown, it's going to tamper with your texture and it's going to loosen it. So I guess what I'm saying is, that's my secret, basically. But these products are also amazing too. And also a good ass do-rag, a good brush. My brush is just a regular brush. It does have a curve in it though, which I think does make it easier to brush it. I do brush like this sometimes, like how I just did now. But when I put my products on originally, I like to brush like this to get more surface to brush it down. It's just what I do. You know, you'll learn your own rhythm. You just have to pay attention to your hair and things like that. But these are the results of my hair. I think love it. I feel so summer ready, okay? I'm ready to beat this face, okay? And make this hair pop that much more. But yeah, let me just do a little spin for ya. And if you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. I'm definitely going to be getting my hair cut very, very soon, so it can be that much more sharp. I'm missing my designs. If you guys are faithful watchers to my channel, you guys know I love my hair designs. So not having one is a little weird, but I like it. But I do miss it too. So yeah, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for the next video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.